Hello and welcome to the SalesSystemFX, a better way to help sales reps from all industries promote products, services, and improve the cross-sell and upsell processes for all that you need to sell more of. We'll take just a few minutes here and then encourage additional time spent on the website actually doing the navigation and taking some demo tours so you can see how it best fits either your individual need or your company's need. But the background is simple. I sold equipment and managed equipment companies, large equipment companies, and worked hard to put in place sales and marketing processes to promote pretty much everything we sold, but the reps still lacked a way to individually promote items, products, services, newsworthy items, or anything that would be of value to their prospects on a schedule that best suited them. Whether it's an e-news campaign or a direct mail campaign, oftentimes there was news that needed to get out but couldn't because of corporate policy or politics or flat out not having the time. This tool actually changes this, can adhere to corporate policy, yet be flexible to provide the tools the reps need to customize their offerings for both their individual benefit as well as the company's benefit. The basic marketing philosophy behind this is that it allows you to both customize a message to match your market, to match your prospects, to match their needs, and also provides a source for them to turn to consistently and be reminded consistently of who you are, what you sell, and what your company stands for. In addition, when it comes to news or information, the easier you make it for them to see the value, the more they'll turn to you for things besides a machine or service or basically anything to meet your quota. The basic navigation is as follows. This is the home page. For the purpose of the SalesSystemFX homepage, we have a welcome message here. This would be replaced with another piece of equipment. You can scroll down here, generally loading 3 pieces of equipment here to begin. You'll actually be able to load as many pieces of equipment as you'd like. I'll show you a little bit more about that later. You bounce over here, a newsletter feature, should you get to that point, and we can accommodate that. That's a little further down the road and requires some additional time and money to do that. You have a personal profile, which allows you to connect with your prospects, just a brief bio, maybe interests, anything that helps establish common ground and maybe a dialogue between you and your prospects. Come down here to refreshing economic news, and hey, everyone is tired of hearing the bad news, and there is plenty of good news. The problem is that there's not a central source that promotes it. If you highlight this, seek out news sources consistently, perhaps with our assistance, and you'll easily distinguish yourself from the competition. In addition, down here you've got some useful info, industry-specific publications, anything that you think might interest the prospects. We've preloaded some things in here that industry tells us people like to see, but can be pretty much customized for your own individual needs. You have a blog here, and the blog here is maybe forward thinking at this point, but the key is when you are ready to provide news and can manage your time, generally 1 hour per week, not only will you draw more attention for being relevant, you'll optimize your own landing page for search engine optimization traffic. So there's a flip side benefit to this. In addition, my videos can be used to promote products, services, perhaps your company facilities. Anything that can tell your story and differentiate yourself can all be done here in one centralized location. In addition, here, the new equipment additions would simply be an inventory module that matches up with here. We'll jump over here to the View Inventory module. Not a real robust program at this point, but can be built out for your own individual needs or company's individual needs, depending on your investment and your time frame. And some custom programming that we do for companies would look like this, and allowing someone to jump in, very quickly see the specifications, jump over here, see some more detail on a particular machine, price, etc., contact form. But that's all some of the customization that we do, and we'll get into the basic navigation here and then encourage you to jump back in yourself, take some time, talk about it, see if this actually is a solution for you, and if not, or you'd like to see something else, generally the customization is pretty much unlimited. So with that, we'll jump into the basic navigation.